The intercession of Prophet is at every moment, not only Yawm al-Mashar for those whom didn't know, but for those whom are ashiqeen, every durood, every salawat, every naat, everything that we recite, we visualize like our light is, let's say, a contaminated light with different hues. As soon as we send durood al-Shareef, Prophet says, then Allah accepts your light in my presence. Means that my light will come to your presence. What happens when the beatific green lights of Prophet is approaching with your durood, immediately everything is burned and becomes green and beatific. Everything becomes rejuvenated and revived and brought alive. And this becomes the immensity of the power of Durood al-Shareef, but the immensity of the reality of Shifaa'at al-Nabi. That at every moment his nation will make Durood al-Shareef, every time we say the azan, every time we give our shahada, every time we mention the name of Prophet Allah granted that reality that as soon as you mention the name of Sayyidina Muhammad your soul will move into that proximity and immediately be clean and become Muhammadiyun.